So it's really hard to find Dunkin' Donuts in California, but we come to Copenhagen, and right away. If Meg can open the box.
I can't.
Nope.
No, not under the stress.
Got this. Just don't drop all the donuts on the ground. We're about to take a 1-hour boat ride to sightsee around the canals. It cost about 50 crowns each, which is about $8 US.
Oh, and it looks like we're taking off.
Walking on our way to see the Little Mermaid statue. We saw it from the boat, but kind of from a distance, so we want to see it up close. No, it seems a little underwhelming, but it's the thing to do, so I want to see it. Just found the first free public bathroom in all of Europe.
Good stuff.
If there's one complaint about Europe, it's that you always have to pay for the bathroom and you always have to pay for water.